Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? I wanted to go ahead and share with y'all one last indie makeup releases for the year. The releases have definitely started slowing down, but there's still a few things I really wanted to talk to y'all about. I wanted to get your opinions on. So this might be a little bit of a shorter one, but I hope you enjoy it nonetheless. I also hope that you've been enjoying Indiemas. If you're new here, my name is Amy and I do a ton of content around indie makeup brands, and for Christmas, for December, I have been posting a new video every single day focusing on indie makeup, whether it be best indie makeup, comparisons, reviews, rankings. You never know what's coming next, so definitely make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Now let's jump on into all the new releases. Alright y'all, so let's start off with the release that I am the most excited about / the most tempted by. So this is from Ensley Cosmetics, and this is the Cold Moon eyeshadow palette. This is launching December 26th. So I still have a little time to think about it, but when I first originally saw this picture, I thought it's really pretty. It's got a lot of cool tones. It's more neutral. The shimmers look pretty. And I was kind of like, maybe I'll try it. I wasn't sure. I was not sure because I literally just bought a palette from Ensley. It was super expensive, but I've heard nothing but good things about their eyeshadow formula. And then I saw these swatches and I was like, okay, that is so beautiful. I'm very tempted. And like in my mind, I'm like, I bought the other palette to try them. It was really expensive. Like I should wait until it gets here before I purchase something else. But this looks so good. So this is where I need your opinion. Like, is this a palette you want to see me review? How badly do you want to see me review it? Please let me know in the comments because I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna pick it up, but my heart is saying yes. So I don't know, it looks really pretty. The swatches look so good. I just hope that their formula is worth the money. All right, next we have a collaboration between GlamLite and Garfield, and GlamLite always gets me. It's like you never know what collaboration is coming next from them. It is so random, but this is a cute collection. I feel like my son would be super hype if I got this because he's obsessed with Garfield right now. He was literally watching the Garfield movie last night. So the eyeshadow palette, I don't know, it's cute. I love Garfield. I love him as a cat. Did anyone else have the Garfield telephone? Like, do you know what I'm talking about? Like the plug-in. If I can find a picture, I will leave it on screen. I used to have a Garfield phone. So I'm a Garfield girl, 100%. Love lasagna. But the swatches of the palette, I was kind of just like, nah. Like it's like very warm, very red toned, and I just feel like it's something that I would get because it's cute and it's fun, but not necessarily something that I would use a ton or reach for a ton. So I think this one is going to be a pass for me, but it definitely did make me do a double take. We've got a new palette sneak peek here from Adept Cosmetics. They posted a little clip of their Instagram story of this palette. It is called the Flying Fiddles palette, which is such a fun, unique name. And it looks like maybe like a grungy, romantic kind of packaging. So you guys already know, obsessed with Adept. I can't wait to see what this is going to be. There's also a new eyeshadow palette from Simply Posh Cosmetics, which is another brand that I have not tried. It is called the Aurora Lights palette and it looks super pretty. It says it's got 12 rich mattes and 6 intense shifty shimmers. Those are like magic to my ears. I am slightly tempted by this because, like I said, haven't tried the brand, so it would be fun to try a new brand. And also there's just something about eyeshadow palettes that have Northern Lights inspired like vibes. I just think it is so beautiful. I already have many palettes and it took me a lot to not buy the ColourPop one because that one was also stunning. This is so off topic, but I love the baby name Aurora. I think it sounds so beautiful, and my partner, he says he loves how it sounds in Spanish, but in English it sounds like a dog barking, like Aurora. Aurora, that's what he says. But I keep seeing it everywhere and I'm like, it's a sign that it is the most beautiful name ever. And here it is again. So this is super cute, super tempting. I'd love to know, have you tried Simply Posh Cosmetics? Are they worth me trying, or have you been curious to hear my thoughts before you purchase? Again, let me know. And then let's see, I can't remember, did I talk to you guys already about the Bella Beaute Bar Angles of Illumination palette? I might have, but this is the newest Bella Beaute Bar palette. It looks super cute and I did purchase this. Cannot wait for it to get to me. I Couldn't help myself, could not. Next, we have a new collection from Lethal Cosmetics. It is called the Midnight Serenade collection. There's an eyeshadow palette and it's cute. It's like a little grungy, but I don't know. It's like aesthetically, it is pretty, but it's just not calling to me. Like I don't feel the urge to purchase it at all. I don't know what it is. Like the swatches look really beautiful, the packaging is cute, the theming is cute, but it's just not giving me that feeling like, oh, I must buy this right now, like need it in my life. However, they did also come out with mascara in different colors, and this is tempting. They've got a purple, a red, it looks like a green, a blue, a black, and a white. I really want the green. I don't know, something about green mascara. I saw someone trying it on TikTok and I thought it looked stunning. I also have been tempted to buy like a burgundy mascara. I think Charlotte Tilbury makes one, which is probably really expensive, but I'm kind of into it. I kind of want to try one out. Oh, it looks like there's a brown too, which I do love a good brown mascara. So I think that I'm not going to purchase this right now because Lethal is located in Germany, which means international shipping unless you like spend a certain amount. So I feel like I wouldn't buy these like just by themselves, but next time I feel the temptation to make a Lethal purchase, I will definitely be picking up maybe like 1 or 2 of these shades. We also have a new palette from Gourmande Girls and Doodles by the Bunny, and it is called the Silent Night palette. The theming on this and everything is super pretty. I love the gold and the blue packaging, and then the inside just matches it perfectly. Like I just really, really love this color story. I love the vibes. I don't think I've tried anything from Gourmande Girls, and I'm not 100% sure that I'm going to purchase this because I know I don't reach for blue eyeshadow that often, even though I'm wearing blue eyeshadow right now. And I don't know. It's like I have the feeling that I love the way this looks. I appreciate it. I think it was done beautifully, but I don't necessarily feel like I need to own it, but it is really, really nice. I don't know. I'm kind of talking myself into it right now. Like, I thought I was talking myself out, but I'm not. So that's all of the indie makeup releases, but I did just want to throw in one mainstream thing at the end because it grabbed my attention, and I feel like this is one of my favorite drugstore brands, even though their prices are a little bit more than they used to be, but I feel like the quality is definitely there. So e.l.f. announced that they're coming out with a Camo Hydrating CC cream, and I am very, very interested in this. I'm hoping that it'll be maybe a dupe for the It Cosmetics CC cream, which is definitely more on the hydrating side. And I did try the original, definitely not a favorite. I feel like this will be more up my alley. And then they also announced that they're coming out with Camo blushes, or like the Camo CC line, but liquid blushes. And from what I've seen on TikTok, these are supposed to be duping the Rare Beauty liquid blushes, which are really, really good, but these are gonna be a little bit more affordable. And I don't know, I'm just kind of interested to try one out. I like the like soft, like really light peachy shade. I like the more neutral shades. The hot pink looks good. So yeah, I might end up picking a few of these just to give them a try. It's a wrap. That was the last indie makeup releases of the year. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Another Indiemas video tomorrow. Bye.